Hey, hi guys, Chinmay here. Welcome to Upskillian. Now, in this particular interview question, you might be asked, what is an M code? Or alternatively, you might be asked, for all the transformations that's happening in Power Query, there's a code that runs in the backend. What do you know about this particular code? So now let's see how do we answer this type of questions. Okay, so when asked what's the code that runs at the back end, you need to affirmatively say that it's called M code, where M stands for mashup language. Guys, remember that you need to specifically tell the interviewer that M stands for mashup language, and you can see this language or you can basically check this language in advanced editor option, right? So now let's see practically where do we see the M code and what all things we can do on top of that. So let's head over to my laptop. You can see guys that I'm in the Power Query section, and if I go to Home tab, there's an option called Advanced Editor. Now this particular option, Advanced Editor, can be accessed from multiple ways. For example, you can access it first from the Home tab. Second, if you right click on any particular query, you have the Advanced Editor option, right? And the third way that you can also access is by going to the View tab, and there you have the Advanced Editor option. Okay. Now what does Advanced Editor do? Guys, we all know that Power BI is a self-service BI tool. Means it requires less technical expertise, or basically it's built on top of no code, low code platform, right? So far, whatever transformations we have done, we haven't written a single piece of code, right? But in the back end, Power BI writes a code for us. So whatever transformations we have done in the back end, you can see that there's a code written here, correct? Now, okay, now let's understand this particular code. This code is called as M code. It always starts with let, then you have the source, then the navigation, and then on top of that, whatever transformations you have done. Remember guys, every new step starts with an hash. So you can see that we have removed columns, we have renamed few columns, and the last applied step is after in, that is renamed columns. Okay. Now that you have opened M code, be cautious not to edit anything here. If you edit anything here by mistake, then it will throw an error. For example, if I add a dot somewhere in between this, you can see in the below I get a error, right? So whenever you have your advanced editor opened, make sure you do not edit anything here. Also, if you see whatever steps we have applied here towards the left side, for all those steps, you have a M code written, right? For example, removed columns, renamed columns, you could see removed columns here, renamed columns here. So gradually, what all transformations you do, you can know it from the M code. It tells you in details of whatever transformations we have done in this particular query, right? So guys, now you know what is M code and what is advanced editor, right? You might be asked a follow-up question that have you written an M code? How do you answer this particular question? To answer this question, you have to say no. We haven't written any M code because Power BI writes this code for us in the backend. We just have to understand this code, and if required, we might have to edit this code. Okay, so now I hope that you have understood what M code is and what is advanced editor, right? Thank you guys, all the best.
Hey guys, I hope you loved this video. If yes, please like this video, subscribe to Upskillian, and if you want more such videos, please put it in the comment section. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.